as the papers have reported and the media is reporting, Sudipta Gupta, who has been murdered under police custody at Kolkata, who is a student leader of SFI student organization, today as Osmania University Joint Action Committee and also a student leader, we condemn the act which police has done, because any student or anyone who has been arrested by the police, it is the responsibility of the police to see that they protect anyone whom they have arrested, and especially when it is students who have been in agitations, they cannot treat these students who are fighting for the cause of people, who are fighting for the nation, fighting for the rights. They have to be extra careful and protect these kind of students instead of being careless. But here we have clearly seen that it is the high-handedness of the police who have not only been careful, but we suspect that this has not been done by any mistake, or this is not an incident. This is a clear murder which the police has participated in, because if they cannot protect the student, how can a student be pushed from a moving vehicle? They have said that he has been crashed to a lamp, but we are waiting for the autopsy report for all the student organizations of this nation to react over this issue, because this student has been prominent fighting for the cause of the students, and the police trying to fizzle out the issues, because here also in Osmania University on regarding the Telangana agitations, students have been fizzled out by being arrests or false cases or lathi charges or tear gas shells or water cannons. Once again, the same way how the state is trying to dilute agitations, the same thing has happened recently here at the English Foreign Language University also, where a student, Mudassir, was arrested and tortured, which led to a suicide of the student. So the police is showing all their brutality over the students without respecting but humiliating the students, just to dilute movements, dilute student movements, fizzle out student movements. So the same thing has happened there at Kolkata also. So we demand as fellow students, because it is necessary for the students to continue the student rights, student agitations. So we demand that whoever has been responsible in this kind of brutality, cruelty, by causing the death of Sudipta Gupta, have to step down, and the government who has been supporting these kind of cruelty by the police departments, by the state organizations, the government has to order for an independent judicial inquiry. The agitation will continue. We demand an independent judicial inquiry on all those people who have been caused to the death of Sudipta Gupta, and we would also like to know the autopsy report as soon as possible, and also see that if the police inquiry, because it is mandatory under Indian Penal Code, whenever any person who has been arrested has been caused to death, then the officer in charge has to give a detailed report and an information to the National Human Rights Commission within 24 hours. Then we wonder if the officer in charge who has been in this incident or this murder has informed to the National Human Rights Commission or not. We question that a judicial inquiry has to be put into this issue and all these details have to be taken. But it is clearly showing how police is trying to fizzle out all these agitations. The same thing here, it is happening in Telangana agitation, and also has happened there at Kolkata also. Whenever movements are rising up, the students are leading the agitations, and that is why the governments and these police authorities are trying to control the students so that they can limit such kind of movements. But student movements will not stop. They will definitely continue, and we also pay homage to the bereaved soul and also our condolences to the family of Sudipta Gupta.